Hi guys, I want to just run through the problem solving method so that you're able to get all the points possible on the upcoming test on the problem portion. First two problems are factor label problems, so we're going to use the train track method. Remember that we start with putting the given value over 1. Make sure that you leave the units all the time. The only time you don't have units in this kind of problem is with that placeholder of 1 that's in the numerator with the given value. Okay, I'm converting to milligrams, so when I pick my conversion fact, I need to put the value for milligrams on top. Remember that it doesn't matter what order the conversion facts are in. They are equivalences. We could write them in any order. I'm going to cancel grams. 983 times 1,000 is 983,000 divided by 1, still 983,000. Yes, that's a really big number. Makes sense because a gram is a bigger number than a milligram, and so there's logic there, no problem. All right, the next one, my given, 645 centimeters. Oops, let me fix that. 645 centimeters over 1, given over 1. Correct conversion fact is 100 centimeters is equivalent to 1 meter. Since I am converting to meters, that 1 meter goes on top, 100 centimeters in the bottom. I get to cancel my centimeters. 645 times 1 is 645. 1 times 100 is 100. 645 divided by 100 is 6.45 meters. Okay, next two problems. You're always going to have the magic triangles given to you, so all you have to do is decide which one of those you're going to use to solve the problem. In this first problem, a car is heading south on I-29 and covers 300 meters in 2.5 seconds. What is the velocity of this car? Here's the triangle I need because I'm given distance and I'm given time. So V equals D divided by T. That's my first step. Okay, that's 1 point. Then I'm going to substitute 300 meters divided by 2.5 seconds. That's my next point. Then I'm going to solve. Punch that into the calculator. 120 meters per second. I'm going to get a point for the value and a point for the units. So 4 full points on those problems. All right, this one is acceleration. You can see right there, what is its acceleration? So I know I'm going to use that last triangle there. If the velocity of a moving car increases from 9 meters per second to 25 meters per second in 5 seconds, what is its acceleration? Acceleration is delta V over T. Delta V is velocity final minus velocity initial. Keep in mind, you guys, not in this problem because you can clearly see that the car is increasing its speed. But remember, in many problems, we can be representing slowing down of a vehicle, in which case we would end up with a negative acceleration. Perfectly fine in these problems to come up with a negative number. Also perfectly fine to come up with a decimal value, okay? All right, so my delta V, notice you guys, I've got my equation, 1 point there. I have substituted inside of the problem. I have left the units. I need to do that in order to get full credit. All right, 25 minus 9 is 16 divided by 5 is 3.2 meters per second squared, because a meter per second is a meter per second squared. So 1 point there, 1 point there, 1, 1 for a total of 4 points. Hope this helps.